Hi everybody, today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about considering new construction when you're looking to purchase a home. New construction isn't for everybody, but we definitely feel that you should take it into account when you are out looking for a new home for several reasons. And I'd like to go over those reasons with you quickly. The first is that new construction is, well, it's new. There are no pesky stains on the carpet, there's no dirt in corners, there's no wear and tear on the cabinetry. It's absolutely brand new. The second thing that is great about new construction is the modern updated floor plans. We all live differently today than we did 20 years ago, and the new floor plans have great room entertaining spaces, a more open concept plans, and plans that are more livable today with fewer formal spaces and larger family spaces. The third is choices. There are a myriad of choices when you're buying a new home. If you decide to build from the ground up, you can choose your countertops, your cabinetry, the flooring, so that you can get your home exactly the way you want it from the day you move into it. Another really good reason is that home warranty that comes with a new home. All builders provide a home warranty. It's different for each builder, but all of them give you a bumper-to-bumper warranty during that first year, where if anything happens that affects the property that isn't something that you damaged purposely, they will come in and take care of it. And remember, that extends to all of the appliances, all of the appliances in the home, etc. Another thing to think about is the fact that the new homes are energy efficient. It's interesting to note that in Orlando, double pane windows were not even code until 2008, so that homes built prior to that time simply have single pane windows. So not only now do we have the increased efficiency of the windows, but insulation has come a long way since in the last 20 years, and radiant barriers, spray foam insulation, all of these things that we're doing now to seal our homes make it much more energy efficient, which relates to the cost of ownership. The cost of ownership on a new home is going to be significantly less than it would be on a resale property. Why? Well, first, you have the energy efficiency, and then you have all of the things that you will not be looking at to repair or replace for at least 10 years. That means no new roof, no new air conditioning, no new appliances, which really will make your month-to-month expenses less. New homes also, it's easy to offer the new smart home systems. With all of the upgraded appliances, etc., you can now tie all of these things into an app on your telephone so that you can see your front door, turn on your oven, adjust the lights, change the temperature, all of those things right from your smartphone. So this is another great advantage of living in a new home. And one last thing I'd like to mention is whether you're looking for a new or a resale property, I suggest that you look at new just to establish a baseline of here is what it would cost you to move into a home where everything is completely done. That gives you some comparison if you're looking at resales to where those should be priced in comparison to a house that's completely finished. So that's our take on new construction properties. We invite you to give us a call if you have any questions or if you'd like to go out and take a look at some.